Hello friends. When we're talking about numbers, we talk about win, loss, above, below, which are both positive and negative numbers. So when we talk about integers, what is an integer? It is a set of numbers which are whole numbers, positive numbers and negative numbers. The positive numbers lie on the right side of the number line and negative numbers lie on the left side of the number line. Negative numbers, example -10, -22, -44, -56, -17, and positive numbers like 20, 32, 54, 86, 98, and 0, which is neither a positive number or a negative number. When we consider the positive numbers are on the right side of the number line and negative numbers are on the left side of the number line. Positive and negative integers are the mirror image to one another on the number line. When we talk about absolute value, for example 5 and -5, it is equal distance from 0. When we consider 0 to +5 and 0 to -5, so the absolute value of -5 is equal to 5. Few more examples like -3 is equal to 3 and 4 is equal to -4. When we talk about ordering of numbers, when ordering of integers from least to greatest follow the order on the number line from left to right. Order from the least to greatest, for example 4, -5, 0 and 2. So we notice that from least to greatest the number is -5, 0, 2 and 4. When we talk about the biggest to smallest number, as we move from right to left, the number gets smaller. And when we move from left to right, the number becomes larger. When we talk about the larger number, definitely the number on the right side is larger than the number on the left side. So -8 is larger than -11. Integers with the unlike sign. For example, when we consider the number 3, positive number 3 is always greater than -3, that is the negative number. And when we place the numbers and find the numbers according to the greater to smaller, we can see the number on the left side is the least, that is -5 is smaller than -3, which is smaller than 1 and which is smaller than 3. So the largest number if we consider is number 3 on the number line compared to -5. Adding of integers, if we have to add the integer with the same sign, it is just for example 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. And if the signs are different, -2 plus -5, we just have to add the numbers and put the sign of the greater number. The integers have different signs. Subtract them. The answer takes the sign of the larger number. For example, 5 plus -8 is equal to -3. And -4 plus 11 is equal to 7. Subtracting integers. To subtract integers, ignore the sign and subtract like you usually do. Answer takes the sign of the larger integer. For example, 8 minus 12. So you would do 12 minus 8, which is 4. The 12 has a minus sign in the front of it, so the answer would be -4. A few examples of integers to be subtracted or added depending upon their sign. For example, -24 plus 19 is equal to -5. 9 plus 8 plus -8 plus 2 is equal to 23. When we take -5 plus 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, So if we subtract from 8 minus 5, we are left with 3. Add and subtract using number line. To subtract, we move towards the left, and to add, we move towards the right. For example, minus 6 plus 2. So we move towards the right, and the answer is minus 4. Plus 3 plus 4 is equal to plus 7. 8 minus 4 plus 3. Start on the number line. Subtract 4 from 8. Move 4 places in the negative direction. Subtract 4 and move 4 to the negative, then move 3 spaces in the positive direction. Answer is equal to 7. Same applies where minus 8 plus 4 minus 3. Work left to right. Start minus 8 on the number line. We now add 4 to minus 8. So we move 4 places in the positive direction. So we move 3 places in the negative direction. That is minus 3. So our answer is minus 7. A few more examples to see of addition and subtraction on the number line, where we consider plus 5, we move towards the right, and minus 7, we move towards the left, so the answer is minus 2. The same applies 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Minus 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 7. Subtracting the numbers on the number line, where minus 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 7, and minus 5 minus 9 is equal to 4. Plus and plus will be plus sign only. Minus plus minus, we have to add the numbers and put the negative sign, plus and a minus sign, where we subtract the number and put the larger number sign. Plus and minus, we subtract the number and put the larger number sign. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching it.